Today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 bed. This is in really good shape. We've just taken this in on trade, so there's not a lot of damage on it. There's a couple small nicks right there, small scuffs right there. Really nothing on the top. Looks good. The side looks good over here. Top edge looks really nice. Front looks really good. Let's have a small chip right there. Bottom edge is good. Like I said, we've taken this off, so it got put on shipping rails, and the edge protected right away. Wasn't set on the ground. Does have the half side sliders in the side. Front has a sliding window. Front edge looks good. Top front edge looks good here. Has a small little scratch right there. Bottom edge looks good. Front looks nice, but doesn't really matter. You can't see that anyways behind the cab. Sliding window opens up, and so you can reach the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap from the, wow, the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap. The top edge on this side looks good. No damage on this side that I can see. Back here looks good. Bottom edge on this one looks nice too. Not seeing any damage on the bottom edge of this one. Like I said, we took it right off the truck, so. Oops. Half side sliders on this side. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Third brake light. Inside is carpeted. Screens look good. The small hole right there in the screen. Other than that, looks good. Window is a removable slider, so flip that lever down, this lever down, then that window opens up, allows you to access the clean the front of the cap window here, and then the front and back of the truck cab window. Flip that back up, latch that down like so. Screen on this side looks really good. No holes on this side that I can see at all. Oops. There we go. Right side up. This is the 100R 5.7D, so it's 5.7 Dodge Ram 09 to 18 body style. There it is. It's cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. It's the 09 to 18 Ram 5.7 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.